Welcome back to the CR Auto channel. Today we are looking at one of the most dominant luxury SUVs the world has ever seen, the 2026 AMG G63. This new model keeps the legendary G-Wagon DNA alive with its boxy stance and military-grade presence. Yet Mercedes and AMG have pushed it even further into the future with new tech, refined luxury, and more brutal performance than ever. From the outside, the G63 still looks like a rolling fortress. The iconic upright windshield, round LED headlights, exposed hinges, and spare wheel on the rear door keep the heritage intact. New for 2026 are redesigned AMG bumpers, a deeper Panamericana grille, sharper LED signature lighting, and more aggressive wheel arches that house massive 22-inch forged AMG rims. Quad side exit exhaust pipes still shout AMG identity, and you get optional matte paint finishes and night packages that black out chrome for a darker, stealthier presence. The car hasn't tried to be anything else. It's still a G-Wagon, just meaner and cleaner. Under the hood, AMG continues to serve power on another level. The hand-built 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 has been retuned, now pushing above 600 horsepower with instant torque delivery. This gives the G63 outrageous acceleration for such a heavy SUV, climbing from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 4 seconds. The 9-speed AMG transmission snaps through gears with precision, and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system maximizes traction whether you're launching off the line or crawling over rocks. Despite its luxury status, this machine still holds serious off-road hardware like 3 locking differentials, AMG adaptive suspension, and a ladder frame chassis that refuses to die. It is both a status symbol and a weapon. Step into the cabin, and it feels like a first-class lounge on wheels, wrapped in Nappa leather, carbon fiber, and cold-touch metal trim. The twin widescreens integrate the latest MBUX with AMG performance graphics, navigation, and AI-supported voice control. The new ambient lighting glows across the cabin with multiple themes. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats come standard. Rear passengers get increased comfort with more legroom, entertainment options, and wireless charging. The Burmester 3D surround audio system turns the interior into a personal concert hall. Everything you touch reminds you that this SUV costs supercar money for a reason. Speaking of money, the 2026 AMG G63 does not come cheap. Pricing globally is expected to land around $190,000 to $210,000 before options, and with personalization, night packages, bespoke paints, and AMG extras, it can easily cross far beyond that. But people don't buy a G-Wagon because it's rational. They buy it because it's iconic, timeless, intimidating, and dripping with luxury and power. This continues to be the mafia boss of luxury SUVs. That was today's deep dive into the new 2026 AMG G63. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more premium automotive content, and drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next video.